This tutorial shows you how to explore the conformations and the energies associated with dihedral angles. First of all, we make sure that we're using MM+, so we know which procedure we're using. Then we create butane by drawing it. And what we're going to do is explore the conformations of butane associated with the dihedral angle here in the middle. Butane has one major dihedral angle that about which rotations generate various conformations of butane, and we want to explore those conformations. To do so, all we have to do is just go and ask to see the potential energy associated with that torsional angle. So we ask to rotate it from 0 to 360 by 10 degrees, and this performs the calculations at each of those angles and gives us a potential energy plot immediately. Thus we see that there is the anti or the all trans version of cyclobutane, and then there's two other gauche conformations of that torsional angle, which are higher energy but nevertheless are local minimum.